Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go on the driver's side here, and we'll look right down here for a lever like this that you should feel a little tension on, but as you pull, hear like a pop click sound. That's releasing the safety. And if it might already be unhooked, but if there's no tension, you want to look, make sure all these cables here are tight and connected. So at this point ours is released, so we'll go up and do the next step. So from up here, kind of right around the middle of most models, you'll find the lever. And this should be loose now. So here, this lever we kind of pull that way and then lift up. So you're supposed to kind of lift the other way. But there's the hook it goes onto. And then this lifts like that to do that. It's a little bit tight, so we might need some like WD-40 to get some gunk cleaned up in here. Sometimes if you're having issues, the hood might be a little out of alignment, or that part, at which point you just need to adjust them center again. And if you're still having issues, these parts are pretty affordable to replace. And then you can see there's like the cable that connects back to where we released inside the vehicle. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.